Excel, Grade 6 Workbook and a Grammar Book, Model 1A, exercises from 1 to 6, pages 4 and 5. Exercise 1. Find 6 spots in the word search, then use these words to label the pictures. The first, ice hockey. The second, cycling. The third, gymnastics. The fourth, karate. The fifth, baseball. The sixth, archery. Exercise 2. Match the words to form phrases. The first, favorite subject. The second, English class. The third, school trip. The fourth, best friend. The fifth, good at drawing. The sixth, interested in gymnastics. Exercise 2B. Use phrases to complete the sentences. The first, my favorite subject is math. The second, her best friend is Gulsara. They are in the same class. The third, Kairat is good at drawing. Look at his pictures, they are great. The fourth, we are having a great time on the school trip. Exercise 3. Look at the pictures, complete with the name of the correct school subject. The first, ICT. The second, physical education. The third, geography. The fourth, art. The fifth, science. The sixth, music. The seventh, math. Exercise 4. Find the odd word out. The first, math, ICT, snooker, science. The odd word is snooker. The second, art, ice skating, history, English. The odd word is ice skating. The third, karate, bowling, gymnastics, music. The odd word is music. The fourth, skateboarding, art, science, geography. The odd word is skateboarding. Exercise 5. Complete the sentences so they are true about you. The first, I'm from Kazakhstan. The second, I'm good at math. The third, I'm interested in history. The fourth, my best friend is Bibinur. The fifth is my favorite subject is geography. Exercise 6A. Match the column A with column B to form words or phrases. The first, friendship. The second, English teacher. The third, blackboard. The fourth, notebook. The fifth, running shoes. B. Which words from exercise 6A are abstract nouns? Friendship, compound nouns, blackboard, notebook. Noun phrases, running shoes, English teacher. Exercise 6C. Use the phrases from exercise 6A to complete the sentences. The first sentence, the teacher writes on the blackboard. The second sentence, the English teacher is teaching grammar today. The third sentence, the students write down the lesson in their notebook. The fourth sentence, you must wear running shoes for the marathon. The fifth, Aida and Gulnaz have a great friendship. They know each other really well.